Hey guys, it's Jenny with Planner Perfect, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to distress your planner and journal pages for fall. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, this is going to be a fun one. It's going to be super easy and a lot easier than you ever thought, and it's also going to be very short. This is how I distress my journal pages. I'm going to show you some right now, some of the different pages that I have done for my journaling, that I've distressed them first and then I have painted on them. It's really, really fun. It's a fun technique, whether you plan to just distress them first so that you can journal on them, or you're making it as your canvas for then you to paint on. Whichever you want to do, it really makes for a beautiful, beautiful look. I am going to be getting back into my journaling this fall. There's just something about fall and really getting back into just beautiful illustration with journaling is just so much fun. It's a way to document life. And if you've got one of those have those little printing, little printers for that you can print off pictures off your phone, it really adds a lot of memory and a way for you to document life. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I just distress my pages, and then you can look for my next video on doing some pumpkins and some art on top of those distressed pages. So let's turn around and show you how I distress your pages. This is from the October planning and journal subscription box. He is available for sale. Super cute, super perfect. Hello fall. I plan on journaling all fall and kind of taking you through my process. And let's go ahead and distress some pages. I am going to actually just show you one page. This front page, I think I will definitely decorate and paint on. But for this one, I really want to show you how to easily distress your pages. So again, whether you're going to paint on top of it or you're going to do some light scripting on top, it's going to be amazing. All I'm doing is taking some brown, making sure it's the right brown for me that I like. This is a nice one, and I'm literally just going through my book. This is how I've always done it. And you can go deeper on your pages. Let's say over in your corners, which is kind of fun. And usually my journal will get kind of watercolory, very crinkly, and other pages will be affected, and I don't care about any of it. I just love all of it. It's like my art journal, and it's just kind of how I want it to be. I'm kind of running around the outskirts right now, and then I'm going to come back in. So you want to get over to those sides quicker so you can blend before it dries completely. But even then, sometimes I can get it to get that out of the way. Did the crease. Now, if you go too dark, it's going to be hard to kind of see some of your work on it. So depending on what you're going to do on it, sometimes I like to go real dark, and then I will do some white gel pen and just journal on it. So I like to do intermixing of just journal pages with white scripting, and then I'll do some painting on another one. So I'll do more lighter distressed pages so that I can paint on top, and it just works. So for this one, I will definitely kind of keep it more lighter. And next time we're together, I will show you how to make some really cool pumpkins lined up at the bottom. then you can also journal around it. So that's another idea. And actually the Planner Perfect planner, I had done it that way, where the idea of it, where it's kind of got some light scripting on it and it's around the pumpkin. Like in this. So we're gonna kind of recreate that together. So as you can see how easy this is and how done we are. And yeah, again, kind of going back, these pages do really well with watercolor. It's fun to kind of have a little embossing dryer, which I have. I just don't have it with me. I'm gonna let this kind of sit naturally. But if you want to kind of move on quickly and do several pages at a time, just get yourself one of those. And that way you can dry it and move on quick to the next page. Maybe up here more prominent than down below, because I'll do some pumpkins down here. So right? Cute, easy, and it gives you that crinkle feel, which is just so fun. There you have it, you guys, the quick and easy tutorial on distressing your journal pages. Until next time.